In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to sell your gift card on Card Sales app. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. Like this video and also share it for more people to see. Now, let's dive into this video. Go and download this application called Card Sales. After you download it, guys, open it. It works on iPhone and Android. Do you understand right now? So after you download it, open it. Now we are going to register. Let me click any option down here and it's going to take you to this interface. And you can see login and you can see sign up. You click on sign up and it's going to take you to this interface. The first thing you are going to do right now is to put your functional Gmail here. Put your Gmail here. And you can see verification code. Leave it first and jump to where it's an invitation code. Use this invitation code to register. Guys, use this invitation code to register. Although the invitation code is optional, but if you use this invitation code, you are going to get a welcome bonus of 3,200 naira. And also they are going to reward me. Do you understand? But if you didn't use this code to register, you will not get any bonus and they will not reward me as well. So I will say you should please use this code so both of us can get bonus. Do you understand right now from this app? The next thing you are going to do is to put your name here. Then put your password here. Make sure your password starts with capital letter. Do you understand right now? Capital letter. Let me, like Godwin for example. Then hard number at the back and any symbol like this. Or any symbol like this or any symbol like this. Do you understand right now? Then repeat your password here. After that, go back to where it says verification code. You can see at the front of it, you can see send. Tap on that send. Immediately you tap on that send, they are going to send verification code to your Gmail. Now take that code and put it here immediately before it expires. Click on create account. Then before you click on create account, you can see here, you can see by sign up. Mark it like this and click on create account and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now I'm going to log into my own account and show you step by step how to sell your gift card on Card Sales app and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Now let me log in and we'll continue, guys. Guys, I have logged into my own account right now and this is my account. Now to sell your gift card, this is what you're going to do. You can see here, you can see sell, task, reward. Click on sell. Do you understand? Now you can see app items. Now click on it. Then it will pop up like this. Then scroll down to select the gift card, the type of gift card you want to sell. Do you understand right now? Let's say Razor Gold, for example. I'm going to click it. And you can see the second one is going to pop up this side. To choose the categories of your gift card, is your card US card? Is it Canada card? Is it Australia card? Is it New Zealand? Select the country of your gift card. This example, I'm going to use US card. I'm going to select physical. Physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store. And e-code is a gift card that someone purchased on a website online. So they are just going to send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is e-code. Do you understand? We are going to use physical card. It's a common card. Now we're going to click OK. The next thing we are going to do is to write the value of your gift card. If your gift card is $50, write it. If it is $500, write it there. Do you understand right now? And it's going to show you the amount you are going to get in Naira. You are going to, for US card Razor Gold of $500 now, you are going to get 552,000 Naira. Do you understand right now? And the next thing you are going to do, you can see upload your image. When you click on upload your image, do you understand? It's going to take you to your phone gallery. Then select the picture of your gift card. Do you understand right now? Select the pictures of your gift card and upload it. Immediately you upload it, click on proceed and your gift card will be sold successfully. And your money will be available on your balance here. Your money will be available on your balance here. Do you understand? The next thing right now is to be withdraw your money to your bank account, right? Go to wallet. You can see wallet. You can see dashboard here. You can see wallet. Go to wallet and you can see add bank card. You can see my OPay here. I've added my bank card. You can see add bank card. When you click on add bank card, select the bank you are using, write your account number and the name on your account number and click on submit. Do you understand? After that, click on backward, back to this side and click on withdraw. Do you understand right now? Write the amount you want to withdraw out of your money, and if you want to withdraw everything, you are the owner of your money. Then You can see down here, it say swipe to withdraw. You place your hand on it and you move it to this side. Do you realize you can just swap, place on it, place your finger on here and move it down here, and it will say so your money will deliver to your bank account, guys. This is how to sell your gift card on cardsale app. Guys, like this video, share it for more people to see, and if you have any question, guys, write it in the comment section. One love, guys.